Alrighty. Hey Lewis, hey Alfred, hope all is well. I was out of town last Tuesday, so sending you a quick update here this Friday. So everything is looking very good in the house. On your exterior, the paint is complete. Your sidewalls will be going up very soon. You can say on the interior, all the drywall is up. We've taped, and the next thing will be a texture to be applied, the skip trowel texture. So that's kind of the next thing coming up on your house here. I hope all is well, guys. Just some notes from the superintendent. The water line got screwed down, and the sidewall, like I said, will be going up very soon, enclosing your backyard. So we're killing it on progress. Now, as far as closing dates, should be getting it relatively soon here. Typically drywall, tape. Once you get your texture done, you're getting pretty close to where the super can call it and we can send out walk dates. So stay tuned in for that. But I wanted to send you guys just a quick little video here showing you the progress. We're doing great. If you have any questions, I'm always around. I'm one call away. Thanks for everything. Talk soon.